Good afternoon, children. My name is Amir Somshekar from Nilambika Girls High School, Sergere. In the previous class, we have learned about the Justice Above Self by Munshi Premchand. In the previous class, we learned that this is a beautiful story in which there are two friends. Who are the two friends in the story? Who will tell you? Yes. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were the good friends. How was their bond of friendship? Who will answer? Yes. The bond of friendship was so strong that either one of them went away from the village, the other would look after the family. And both are greatly respected in the village. Such a bond of friendship they had. Who? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. A strong bond of friendship between them. If any one of them went away from their village, the remaining one look after the other's family. So because of their friendship, they were greatly respected by the villagers. And this Juman had an old aunt. She had some property. Juman had an old aunt and she had property. She transferred her property to Juman and an understanding. So transferring her property to Juman, there was an understanding that she could stay with him and he would look after her. Okay? Why did Juman's aunt transfer property to Juman? An understanding that she could stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked for a couple of years, but after some time they were tired of their old relative. They are not look after them very well. They even hesitated to give her the little food that she wanted to live. She swallowed all those insects along with her food. But patience has its limits. There is a patience for everything. If anybody acts more than our patience, definitely it will turn to anger. Here also, the old ant waited patiently for a long time, but Juman and his wife did not change their behavior. So at last one day she spoke to Juman that, my son, it is very obvious that I am not wanted in your house. So your behavior shows. See, as you're looking after me shows, I am not wanted in your house. So she requested him to pay her a monthly allowance. Why did she want a monthly allowance? To set up a separate kitchen herself. Yes, to pay. But Juman said his wife knew how to run the house. Be patient. He said shamelessly, they are not looking after her very well. That's why she demanded the monthly allowance. Shamelessly, Juman said his wife know how to look after the family. Be patient. Be patient. This answer of the Juman made angry for Juman's aunt. So she decided to take the case to the village panchayat. Before taking the case to the village panchayat, she went on meeting the villagers and explaining her case. The people reacted differently. Some people sympathized with her, Ayo Papa. Yet others said and laughed at her. What a fool lady you are. Why did you transfer your property to Juman without having any document? Yet few others advised her to make it up, adjust with your nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary. Who was Algu Chaudhary? Juman's best friend. So as she went on asking the people, some people sympathized with her, yet others laughed at her. Some people said, make contact with their family. At last she went to meet Algu Chaudhary because Algu Chaudhary was one of best friend of Juman. He said, you know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said, but is it right, person? Going against is a, if you say going against a friend is wrong. If you say it is a right, keeping silent without speaking anything, not to say what you consider just and fair. Don't speak for me or against him. Just speak what you know the truth. She pleaded the old lady. She told, come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said, Algu did not speak to her, but her words kept ringing in his ears. But what words? Just to tell the panchayat what is right and fair. Don't go far or against anybody. Just say what is right. What is right. I think this much of the story was over. So shall we move to the second part of the drama? Okay. So the story. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision. I nominate Algu Chaudhary as the Panch. The Panch knows neither enemy nor friend, stated the oldie. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. What happened? At last, when it became obvious that she was not wanted in their house, when Juman even denies to pay the monthly allowance, she went on explaining her case to so many people. So many people give their advice in their own way. At last, she went to Algu Chaudhary. He told, how can he go against him? Because he was his good friend, best friend. At last, she told, please come to the panchayat and tell what you feel is right. Next day, the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Usually, so villages have banyan trees. There was an old big banyan tree under which the village panchayat was held. Juman stood up with the panchayat and said, was Juman accused? Accused was Juman, who stood up and said to the panchayat. He said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. The voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. What does this mean? This line shows that the voice of the Panch means the words of the panchayat or the decision of the panchayat is the voice of the God, is the decision of the God. Whatever the decision, judgment taken by the panchayat is the decision given by the God, is the statement given by the Juman. So, the panchayat held under the old banyan tree. So many people stood sitting there. So among them, Juman accused, said and told to the gathering that the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. And also he asked his aunt, let my aunt nominate the head Panch. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. As anybody, she can choose anybody as the head Panch, head of the panchayat. She can nominate anybody. I don't object. I will abide by her decision. I will abide by her decision. I will abide by this. Accept. So whoever my aunt chose as a head Panch, I will accept her decision. Said Juman. So panchayat was held under the village old banyan tree. This person, Juman stand up and stood and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. And also he asked his aunt to nominate the head punch, and he will abide by accept her decision in choosing the head punch. I nominate Algu Chaudhary as the punch. She told. The old woman whom did she choose as the head punch? She nominated Algu Chaudhary as the head punch. Whom did the old lady take as the head punch? She nominated Jumman's best friend Algu as the head punch. And also she told the punch knows neither enemy nor friend, stated the oldie. The oldie also told it. The punch means the person who gives the judgment knows neither friend nor enemy. He don't know who are in front of you. He is not friend, not enemy. Just give the judgment for the sake of the judgment. She told. The head punch don't know whether the accused your friend or enemy. He will give justice on the basis of the truth only. Fine, replied Juman. Yes, he was very happy. Why? See, he never expected that his aunt would choose Algu as the head punch. He would have thought somebody would have been selected as the head punch. Because his aunt also very well knew about their friendship. They are very great bond friends and a strong bond of friendship. Hiding his joy. He never expressed his joy. Why? Because of this unexpected piece of luck. He thought it was luck. He never expected that luck would come to him because Algu is my best friend. For long years we are the best friend. How can Algu give a judgment against me? It's not possible. He is my best friend. He will help me. He won't give judgment against me. That's why he hiding his joy. When she announced Algu as the head punch, Juman hid it. But inside he was laughing about the unexpected. Like this, it is not an expected. ಅನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿತ ಒಂದು ಅದೃಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಒಳಗೆ. But she said, but Algu said, Chachi was touchier, old aunt. You are aware of my friendship with Juman. You are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. Algu said, do you know, I am his best friend. It is not good to nominate me as the head punch. But she said, but, yes, I knew, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience. I also know you will not kill your conscience. Even Pragnen Kunkulla. For the sake of friendship. For the sake of friendship, you will not kill your conscience. Because God lives in the heart of the punch. Because God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of the God. The old lady said, yes, she very well knew that Algu was good friend of Juman. Why did she nominate? Because she knew, though he was a good friend, Algu was a good friend of Juman, she very well knew that he would not kill his conscience for the sake of his friendship. Because she knew God lives in the heart of the punch. And the old lady explained her case. What was the case? The case was, few years ago, she had some property that she transferred to Juman and understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. But after a couple of years, they are not looking after her well. When she demanded a monthly rent, he denied. Juman denied to pay even that. She explained the case. What have you to say in your defense? Asked Algu to Juman. So after listening to the case of the old aunt, Algu asked Juman, what you have to say? What have you to say? What will you say about your defense? What will you say? She is accusing you. What do you say about your defense? Juman narrated how his old aunt transferred. She narrated how his old aunt transferred her property and how he promised to look after her. She told him, he also accepted that his aunt had transferred her property to him and he had promised her to look after well. So long as she lived, until he has to look after her until as she lived. But of late there have been quarrels. But later there have been quarrels between his aunt and his wife. So there was a quarrel between his wife and the aunt. Now my aunt is claiming monthly allowance. What is my aunt doing? My aunt is claiming monthly allowance for me, which I can't pay. You said. So what you said in defense? What can I say in defense? So it is right. It is quite right. So Algu Chaudhary is right. My aunt has transferred her property so long ago. At the time, I too have promised her to look after her as long as she lived. But after a few years, what happened? There have been some quarrels between his wife and his aunt. Because of that, my aunt is claiming monthly allowance from me, which I can't, but I can't pay monthly allowance, he said. That's all I have to say. That's all. What did Algu say? What did Juman say? Juman said correctly. What was correct? Juman said that his old aunt had some property and she had transferred to him. At that time, he too has promised that he would look after her as long as she lived. But after a few years, there was some misunderstanding between his wife, quarrels between his wife and his aunt. So because of that, his aunt is expecting monthly allowance, but he was unable to pay that. So that's all I want to say. He concluded his submission. After consulting others, after listening to both the arguments of the aunt and also arguments of the Juman, he discussed with the other branch members. Consulting others, Algu announced, at last Algu gave the judgment. What was the judgment? We are of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. So the judgment was like that. After listening to both of them, Algu did not give the judgment of his own, but he discussed with the other branch members. At last he gave the judgment. The judgment was like that. We are of the opinion. We means what we here? Panchayat members. Panchayat members are of the opinion. What was their opinion? The opinion was that Juman must pay. It is a duty of a Juman to pay his aunt monthly allowance because he had promised us to look after her, but he is not interested in it. Because as she has transferred property to him, it was his duty to pay her a monthly allowance. Or else, if he says no, if he don't pay, the property of his aunt goes back to her. Automatically, the property which was given by his aunt will goes back to her. This was the judgment given. Okay? Now the friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. In fact, Juman saw Algu as an enemy and wanted to take revenge. Now, after this judgment, so before the judgment, how was the friendship between Juman and Algu? Juman and Algu were the best friends. No doubt in it. And there was a strong bond of friendship. So after the judgment, what happened? Juman thought Algu was not his friend because he gave the judgment against me. He made me to pay a monthly allowance, or I have to give back his other property. So now the friends, who are the friends here? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were seldom seen together. When we seldom, rarely seen. So before that, they are always together. They never departed. They are always together. But after this incident, they are rarely seen together. They are seldom seen together. So once upon a time, there was a strong bond of friendship. Now the bond of friendship was broken. Now there is no bond of friendship between Juman and Algu. In fact, in reality, Jumman saw Algu as an enemy. So in fact, the reality was that Jumman feels Algu was not his friend, but it was his enemy. And not only that, I also wanted to take a revenge. He always wanted and expecting an opportunity to take revenge on Algu. This was the part 2 story. I think you might have understood. In the first paragraph, we learned that the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. All the members were seated, all the villagers also seated. And at that time, Juman stood up and said that the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. So later on, now I nominate anybody as the head Panch. And he told he will abide by a decision. Then the old woman said and nominated Algu Chaudhary as the head Panch. Hearing this word, he was very happy about this unexpected piece of luck. He thought he was his best friend, he will help me. But Algu said, Chachi, are you aware of my friendship? But for that she told, yes. But she also knows that Algu will not kill his conscience for the sake of his friendship. That's why, and also, yes, another case. She told, God lives in the heart of the Panch. After this, Algu asked, what is our defense? He told that he also accepted that he had taken property, he has promised to look after her well, but there was a quarrel between his wife and his mother and his aunt. Now she was demanding the Mantiris that he can't pay. After listening to both of them, he contacted other Panch members and Lord gave the judgment that Jumman must pay Mantiris or the property goes back to her. So after this incident, the good friends, who were the good friends, Jumman and Algu became enemies. They seldom stayed together. So their bond of friendship broken. In fact, he was waiting for an opportunity to take revenge on the Algu. Okay, I think you have understood this. What was Jumman's opinion about the Panch? What was Jumman's opinion? The voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. Okay. Was the lady right in nominating Algu as the head, knowing very well that he was Jumman's best friend? If yes, why? If no, why? Yes. Yes. The old lady was right in selecting or nominating Algu as the head Panch. So because though he was a good friend of Jumman, she very well knew that Algu was a good person. He will not kill his conscience for the sake of the friendship. That's why she nominated him. What decision did Algu give after listening to the Jumman and his aunt? After listening to the Jumman and his aunt, Algu gave the judgment that Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly rent or her property goes back to her. Why were Algu and Jumman seldom seen together after the panchayat? After the panchayat, the decision came against the Jumman, so both of them seen seldom together. In fact, he saw Algu as his enemy and also he wanted to take a revenge on him. That's why he was waiting. Okay, I think you have understood this much. So we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.